Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to update ChromeOS without losing any data. If you are using older build of ChromeOS and checking for updates, it shows your Chromebook is up to date. But in reality, ChromeOS 120 Pro version is the latest. So without getting much more delayed, let's jump into this. So first of all, just open your browser and search for branch download. Just click on the release Sebank branch and click on here latest. Now you will have to click on the link tor.zz. Click on here and download will be stored. Now you'll have to search for CrossTech ChromeOS download. Now click on ChromeOS updates. Now here, if you're using Intel 2nd Gen to 9th Gen processor, then you will have to download for Ramas. And if you are using 10th Gen to latest, then you will have to download for Voltier. And if you're using AMD processor, then you will have to download Zork. Now click on here. Now as per your system code name, search on here. Here you'll find multiple options. Click one of them and now click on the drop down and select the latest and download will be started. Now after downloading, close your browser and go to the File Explorer, go to download folder, and here you'll find total 3 things. Another extra thing is ChromeOS update text downloading link will be given in the description. Now just open the text, put it here, and now just select the ChromeOS file and right click on here, click on extract all. Just wait a few seconds.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now it's extracted. Go to download folder and here you can find that a file has been created. Just right click on the file and click on rename. Put any name here and now open the folder and select the ChromeOS file. Right click on this, select cut and go to download folders. Right click on here, paste it. It's done. Now you can delete this zip folder. Now come to this text file and select the recovery.bin. Right click on here, select copy. Now select the ChromeOS.bin file. Right click on here, select rename, select all and right click on here, paste it. The name should be recovery.bin. Now click outside and it is renamed. Now select this branch.archive.tor.dz and right click on here, click copy and select the branch, right click on it, select rename, select the whole name and right click on here, select paste. It's done. Now close the browser. Here you'll have to select the full text and right click on here, select copy. Now you'll have to open the cross command. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Alt plus T. Now you will have to type shell and hit enter key. Now you will have to right click on here and the code will be automatically pasted. Just click on enter key. Just wait a few minutes to complete the process. When it's completed, it will show branch updated and ChromeOS updated. Now close the PowerShell, click on leave, click on here. Now go to settings, click on about ChromeOS and click on check for update. Still now it's showing 115. Now click on here, shut down your PC and restart again. For the first time, it'll load branch framework. You'll have to wait here. Now it's booted up. Now you'll have to put a password. Now you can see the interface has been changed. If I click on here, totally everything is changed. Click on the settings and if I go to about ChromeOS and check for update, and now here you can find 120 Pro is updated and my ChromeOS is working flawlessly. And if I go to the download folder, everything is here, nothing is deleted. That means every data is safe and I have updated my ChromeOS without losing any data. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.